Yeah,
How
so
are you?
first of all, very good afternoon, sister. And yeah, tell me, how's the day been going so far and how are you doing these days?
I'm fine, and my day is very good. And after
Okay.
and this is my first video conversation with you. So how are you?
Okay. Yeah, first of all, thanks for asking. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. And yeah, tell me, with you, who is there? Along with you, who is there?
I'm
Okay, it's
fine.
your son. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, as we are meeting for the very first time, so yeah, could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. My name is Geeta, and I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri in Agra.
Hmm.
Yes, I have two kids, and one kid, girl, and one boy. And I have, as you know, ask my qualification pass. That's
Could you
it.
please repeat it?
I am 12th pass.
Okay, just like me.
Okay.
Because I'm also intermediate pass. That's why I'm saying that.
Okay.
So yeah,
And
how did you come up? How did you come up with the idea of learning this language?
yeah, my this idea because I have uh, learned English because I personally I actually I I want to learn English all first time all time uh,
Okay.
my education time, but I can't do this time that time. So I will start watching
Yeah.
your video.
Yeah. It means you are saying that means you wanted to learn this language earlier, but you couldn't do it. You couldn't have done. But right now you are trying to learn this language.
Yeah.
Okay. It's good. So how long it's been you are working on this language so far?
I speak English like only 2 or 3 session, but I open my channel on YouTube 1 year ago.
1 year ago.
How to improve our English? Speak English. I want to tell you, matlab, I want to speak, but I didn't speak fluently.
Okay. Yeah. Just tell me how long it's been you have started speaking.
Only like 14 days.
14 days. So yeah, tell me, would you become fluent in any kind of language within 20 days or within 1 month? Can you learn? Can you learn South language within 20 days? No, you are
No.
learning a language. You are in the process of learning a language. So whatever you are doing, it's enough. There's no need to worry. Now you have just started your journey. You are at your beginning stage. You have to do all the stuff, but the first thing which is really very crucial for you is speaking, and that practice you are doing.
You know,
You are,
I make sentence very well in my mind, but I can't speak.
because your mouth your mouth is not habitual for this.
Yeah.
When your mouth and your jaw muscles, everything, your brain and your mind, your conscious mind, it will get accustomed to this language, then you would start speaking fluently, like all the housewives, the way they are speaking. You can also speak in that way, but the fact is that you have just started your journey, so it will take time. It's a natural process. If
Yeah.
we want to grow a plant, any kind of plant, so can you grow a mango plant within a month, within a year? No, it takes time. It's natural. So in the same way, if we want to do any kind of things, so we have to do all the things in the process, which is really needed for us in order to get into the habit of speaking or becoming fluent English speaker, for becoming a good communicator.
Yeah, I need to more speak.
Yes, you have to only speak a lot, and when your mouth, when your jaw muscle, everything will get accustomed to it, then automatically you can speak natural English without thinking anything and without any kind of disturbance and without any kind of fear. I know that right now, sometimes you could face fear, you could face a little bit hesitation, but it's normal. As a beginner, it's normal. There's no need to worry at all because there are so many learners, though they have been working on their language for a very long time. But if I talk about their confidence, they don't have that much confidence, they don't have courage. Just because of them, they have facing a lot of problems. But I can say I must appreciate you because you have just started learning this language only for I think it's been 1 month, and you are speaking like that, and as well as you have that confidence. I must salute that your confidence that at least you are having guts, which is really needed for to learn a language to become a good communicator.
Sometimes I demotivate because I try speak, but because I have a lot of work, because I have a buffalo and cow, so there are a lot of work. So I have some time for my for me that I can't speak English, so I
You know,
demotivate.
I think the reason why you are feeling like this because you are not trying to make your this situation in a good way. If you try, then you can use your buffalo, your cows for your speaking too, for your speaking practice too. Whenever you go in order to feed them, your buffalo or your cows, so just speak at least 10 sentences on your buffalo, on your cows. Means this is a cow. I have 2 or 3 cows at my home. So I always come here to feed them. And I feed them straw with some green leaves, with some uh, flour, and I can say curry. We also use curry in order to feed them. And yeah, because the cow, it has 4 legs, it has 2 ears, it has nose, it has a one tail, but very long tail, and it also gives us milk too. So because that's why we have kept this. We can also you make clarified butter from them, and the butter and the हर सब कुछ जैसा जैसा हम कर सकते हैं.
That time I have no free time for me. That time I try to think my mind, make sentences, but my grandmother is, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, this is the thing. People, they will call us. They will call us as a, we can say, silly person, crazy person. Have you gone a net? Means you are speaking in your mind. You are speaking all alone. With whom you are speaking? Are you mad? People, they say. People, they would say. And if people, they are saying to you these kind of things, so it means now you are on the process of learning this language. Now you are on the verge of becoming a good communicator in English language.
Yeah. And do you have
So
a?
how do you manage your husband? He also helps you or not?
Yeah, no, my husband was support me, but this help me because they have our outside work. That's why
Okay.
I
Okay.
handle my
So
two.
as you mentioned, means you are trying to learn this language on your own. So have you also worked on your grammar part as well, little bit?
No, I only watch video conversation video. Then
Okay.
I read my child book English story, and
Okay.
sometime I try to read. That's all.
Okay. Yeah, it's good. Whatever you are trying, it's good. But at least you have to learn the basic grammar. Basic grammar means कि
Send
टेंसेस क्या होते हैं और कौन सा टेंस हमें किस पर्टिकुलर जगह पे यूज करना है एंड आफ्टर दैट सम मोडल्स जैसे कि आई शुड लर्न इंग्लिश मुझे इंग्लिश सीखनी चाहिए आई विल लर्न इंग्लिश
I
कहाँ पे
know
विल
very
यूज करना है कहाँ पे वुड यूज करना है ये सारी चीजें नॉर्मल अगर आपको पता है तो आप आराम से इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो.
but first time video call with you, so that's I don't I can't
So this is
speak
your
English.
first conversation. This is your
Yeah,
first conversation.
second, but because 2 and 3 days after, so I'm forget some word and forget
Yeah.
make sentences.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay to forget some words. We forget. It's the process of learning any kind of language. Sometimes we forget. Sometimes we just get stuck. We know the word, but it's always there in our mind. But when we need to say that word, to speak that word, then it doesn't get on our tongue. So it's normal. But the thing is that you have to know where I have to use the present continuous tense, where I have to use present a perfect tense. जब आपको ये नॉर्मल ज्ञान हो जाता है तो आप इजिली बात कर सकते हो किसी से भी। जैसे कि अभी आपको बोलना हो कि मैं रोज अपनी गाय को चारा डालती हूँ, तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? भाई से देन आप कैसे बोलोगे?
I serve डालती हूँ। I am serving some grass for my buffalo.
मीन्स हम हमेशा डालना ही तो नहीं कह सकते ना, सर्व हम उनको खाना थोड़ी सर्व कर रहे हैं। खाना सर्व करना फैमिली के लिए होता है। वी फीड देम स्ट्रॉ, आई फीड देम स्ट्रॉ एवरी
No,
डे।
what will call?
हाँ,
I don't know what will call that word. मैं उनको चारा डालती हूँ। चारा डालनी
स्ट्रॉ
तो
भूसा डालते हैं, भूसा डालते हैं, भूसा डालते हैं ना हम।
नहीं, इंग्लिश वर्ड।
भूसे को हम हिस्ट्री में स्ट्रॉ बोलते हैं और जो घास होती है उसको हम ग्रास बोलते हैं।
घास को तो ग्रास बोलते हैं, आई नो।
हाँ, उसको हम स्ट्रॉ बोलते हैं, STRAW स्ट्रॉ। आई ऑलवेज गिव स्ट्रॉ एंड ग्रास टू फीड माय buffaloes।
ओके,
या
या आई विल ट्राई अगेन।
या जो काम आप रोज करते हो वहां पे आप प्रेजेंट डेफिनेट टेंस यूज करो, ठीक है। जो आप काम कुछ देर के लिए करते हो, जैसे कि आप खाना बनाते हो तो कुछ टाइम लगता है उसमें। तो जैसे कि आपके हस्बैंड आए, उन्होंने पूछा कि व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, तो यू कैन से आई एम कुकिंग फूड, आई एम कुकिंग फूड। और अगर उन्होंने पूछा कितनी देर से बना रही हो, देन यू कैन से आई हैव बीन कुकिंग फूड फॉर हाफ एन आवर। अगर ये बताना हो कि मैं बस खाना बना रही हूँ तो बोल दो कि आई एम कुकिंग फूड। अगर ये बताना हो कि मैं 1 घंटे से खाना बना रही हूँ, वहां पे आपको यूज करना है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, आई हैव बीन कुकिंग फूड फॉर हाफ एन आवर, फॉर 1 आवर, या जितने भी टाइम से आप कोई काम कर रहे हो। तो ऐसा होता है कि जब आप सेंटेंस, जितने भी टेंसेस है हमारे 12 के 12, जब आप उनको रिलेट कर लेते हो अपनी लाइफ से ना, कि कौन से पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन पे मुझे कौन सा यूज करना है, तो आप इजिली इंग्लिश बोल सकते हो। मोस्टली हम जब स्पीकिंग करते हैं तो मोस्टली हम क्या यूज करते हैं, पास्ट टेंस भी यूज करते हैं, क्योंकि
प्रेजेंट।
पास्ट टेंस हम जैसे हमें बहुत पहले की बात कोई बतानी है, पास्ट की कोई बात बतानी है कि पता है जब मैं छोटा था ना तो मैं ऐसा किया करता था, ऐसा किया करता, यू नो व्हेन आई वाज अ किड, ओके, व्हेन आई वाज अ किड आई यूज्ड टू प्ले, यू नो यहाँ पे हम बोलना है मैं खेला करता था, आई यूज्ड टू प्ले इन द गार्डन, आई यूज्ड टू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फूड, आई यूज्ड टू ईट मैंगो, मैं आम खाया करता था, कुछ भी किया करता था। और आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो आई वुड गो टू द मार्केट, मैं मार्केट जाया करता था अपने पापा के साथ, अपनी मम्मी के साथ। आई वुड मीट माई फ्रेंड्स, मैं अपने दोस्तों से मिला करता था।